Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to talk all about how you can get the perfect neckline for your beard style. Now when you're styling your beard it can be easy to forget that you need to neaten everything up with a sharp neckline, but it is really important if you want that perfect finish. So today we'll cover every step you need to take when you shave your beard necklines. Using the right products, preparing your face, cutting each side, trimming those forgotten areas, caring for your beard and neckline. Now, before we dive into our beard neckline guide, we want to answer a question we often get asked: where is the beard neckline? Now, this might seem straightforward, but it really is important that you can find your beard neckline correctly, or it'll have a huge impact on the look of your facial hair. Start by running your fingers up from your Adam's apple up to the bottom of your ears. This is your beard neckline. Everything underneath this line should be clean shaven to give your beard a fresh, clean look. This is especially important when you've got a full beard, as it stops it from looking untamed. Remember, you don't want your beard neckline too high or too low. This will just make your beard look wonky. Instead, follow and shape the correct beard line using our guide. Okay, now let's begin our routine. No matter what beard style you want to achieve, you need to have the right products in your grooming toolbox. But when you're shaving your beard neckline, it's even more important. That's because it's extremely easy to end up with razor bumps or ingrown hairs on this part of your face, especially if you're using blunt blades or trimmers that simply aren't precise enough to give a clean cut. The first item you need is obviously a razor or beard trimmer. We recommend a tool that can do both, just like the Philips One Blade Pro 360 with its handy trimming attachment. It's really useful for trimming your beard neckline. There's even this built-in adjustable precision comb to ensure you're getting all of those scraggly hairs. When choosing your beard trimmer, it is important that you find the one that works for you. Compare different models by the features and technology they offer, their battery life and charging capabilities, and by their versatility and ability to meet your needs. Some shavers will be better suited to certain skin or hair types, for example, so it is important to research this before you make a purchase. Another step you should never skip is preparing or cleaning your beard. Cleaning your beard and your skin is extremely important when you're shaving. You want to make sure you're removing all the dirt and excess oil before you go anywhere near your face with a razor. Start by rinsing your face in warm, not hot water. This helps open the pores without damaging or drying out your skin. Next, apply your beard wash or cleanser all over. We recommend investing in a good quality beard wash from a brand you trust. Just remember to always test it on a small area first to check for any reactions. Finally, rinse your face and pat it dry. Prepping your skin is a really important part of your beard care routine. If you need more help getting started with this, check out our video on the best beard care routine linked below. It offers an easy 3-step routine anyone can follow. Once you've prepped your face, it is time to start cutting your beard neckline. First, you want to find your beard neckline, as we showed you earlier. Trace the line so you know exactly where to put your blade. Now that you've clearly identified your neckline, start by putting your one blade at your Adam's apple and gently pull the blade to the right, shaving beneath the line. You want to use careful, gentle strokes to remove the hair. Once you finish one side, it's time to trim the other to match. Just repeat the same process as before. We recommend starting your shave a little lower and working your way up to the beard neckline. This will help you get an even result and avoid taking too much off. You might think that's your neckline trimmed, but there's still a little more to do. To get the perfect beard neckline, you need to tackle the hair underneath your ears too. This is a spot that's easy to ignore, but trimming it will make all the difference. Pick the shape that best suits your face shape. For round faces, we recommend a squarer cut. For square jawlines, we recommend a softer, rounded edge. Our final step in this process is the aftercare. Moisturizing or treating your skin after a shave is really important. It helps you avoid getting ingrowing hairs and razor bumps, and it keeps your skin happier and healthier, so it looks great. What product you use here is up to you, but there are a few things you might want to consider. We recommend beard serums for those with thinning or thinner facial hair. While beard oils are great for those with coarser hair who want to soften their beard, we've chosen a beard oil for our aftercare routine today. Take a couple of drops, rub them between your palms and massage them into your beard. Make sure you get right down to the root of the hair as well. Finally, don't forget to clean your one blade so it's ready for the next use. This removes dead skin and hair from the blades, which ensures your one blade works at its best and reduces the chance of skin irritation. Lucky for us, the Philips One Blade Pro 360 is waterproof, so we just need to give it a quick rinse under the tap and it's good to go. So next time you're shaving your beard neckline, make sure you follow this guide so you get a clean, crisp look. Follow us for more inspiration and make sure you check out our other videos, like comparing the Philips One Blade Pro 360 and the Philips Shaver S9000 Prestige, or our super simple 3-step best beard care routine. You can also visit the Philips website linked in the description below for even more guidelines and advice on your home grooming experience. Finally, don't forget to drop a comment and tell us how you achieve the perfect beard neckline. Thanks for watching.